everyone, today we're going to make an anchor chart for the area of composite, so composite figures. So there's your heading. Again, just find a blank sheet of paper or blank line paper so you can take some notes. Area of a composite figure. So what is a composite figure? A composite figure is an irregular shape made up of two or more regular shapes. So here we have, maybe if I go a little closer, you can see there is a rectangle here and then a triangle here, right? Together, the rectangle and the triangle make a parallelogram because it has one pair of parallel sides. And then look, it looks like an ice cream cone, but it's really made up of a triangle and a semicircle, a half circle. Okay, so those are both composite shapes. All right, so steps to find the area of a composite shape. Step 1, break the irregular figure up into regular shapes like squares, rectangles, triangles, half circles, trapezoids, etc. Number 2, find the area of each regular shape. And step 3, combine the area of each regular shape. So here combine would mean add them together. So calculate each area using each separate area formula and then add them all together. All right, so example 1, you're going to want to use this example on your anchor chart. Find the area of this figure. So if we get a little closer, we have this shape, looks like a geometric little letter R almost. This has a height of 20, this is 12, 12, 14, 8. Notice the 12 and the 14, this entire length makes this whole length 26. They are equivalent. All right, so again, step 1 was break the irregular figure up into regular shapes. So if we kind of drew a dotted line and broke this up right here, we would have a rectangle that is 12 by 20. It's one way to look at it. Or the way that this is laid out, if this is broken up this way, you have one long rectangle that is 26 by 8 feet. So here's 26 by 8 feet. And then this guy is 12 by 12. This square is 12 by 12. All right, so we have a 26 by 8 plus a 12 by 12. So we have to calculate the area of each. So area is equal to length times width or base times height for a rectangle. That's 26 times 8, which is 208 feet squared. Plus this 12 by 12, which is 12 times 12, which is 144 feet squared. So we want to do step 3, add them together, 208 feet squared plus 144 feet squared, which equals 352 feet squared. So that's really all you need on your anchor chart. Obviously, if we were doing something like this triangle over here, or even the trapezoid, we could use a trapezoid formula, or we could use a rectangle plus a triangle formula. Or for here, we would need to do a triangle plus a semicircle formula. Now, anything circular you won't really learn until 7th grade, but until then, you should be able to at least recognize this is a triangle, that is a semicircle. So being able to recognize step 1, which is to break the irregular figure up into regular shapes, etc. Find the area of each using each individual formula and then combining them. And combine means add together. All right, see you later.